Hey guys, I'm BadMark, and I'm happy to tell you that the Elder Guardian is still busy killing off everything in the ocean, as you could have seen in the previous video. But while he's busy doing that, let's take a look at the topic of today's video, which you could have guessed from the title, an upside down rainbow sheep, and it is right here. This is it. This is our upside down rainbow sheep. Now of course, sheep can already be upside down and they can already be rainbow. But they cannot be both at the same time, so you either have to make it upside down or rainbow. You cannot combine the two Easter eggs, and in case you don't know about the Easter eggs, I have a video in the description which you can watch about this topic. So as you can see, we have an upside down sheep, and we rename it into Jab, it becomes rainbow, and rename it back into Dinnerbone, it becomes upside down, but not both at the same time. I made it possible with commands, and if we open a command block, you can see that I set the color tag to, in this case, 5. I'm actually not sure what color this is, but I will link it in the description where you can see all of the numbers for all of the colors. And this chain of commands goes from 0 to 15 in terms of the colors. So you have all of your sheep wool colors. There are 16 in total, and of course, as in the previous video, you can modify the delay and you can use any clock that you want. In this case, I'm just using a simple redstone repeater clock, and there you have it. And it already started raining, so the link is going to be in the description. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye bye.